I want to talk to you with aphasia and what I learned. I'm Trish and I had my stroke 12 years ago. I worked from Apple, a project manager of Apple Care in California. I was active playing sports like curling, basketball, softball, soccer, and golf. I shot a basketball in every state over 15 years. I have severe apraxia and aphasia. All this time, I good support with my family and friends. I'm broken and I decided to work on recovery. I've been to 11 different rehab places, and they were all great. I've been to University of Michigan, Stanford, Burke Rehab, and many more places. I went therapy approximately 21 therapists, speech therapist. I've been at Connors Hospital with Albert, another stroke survivor. We visit with a new stroke patient and talk about their hope for recovery. I made a blog to help patients learn what I learned. I play golf, curling, and hiking. I've been long distance to visit my friends. I fly alone to visit my family and friends. I even went to Ireland to visit where my ancestors are from. I looked for house to buy, but the Bay Area is too expensive on disability income. I wanted a warm climate, a cheaper condo, and I want aphasia support group. I met Anne, another Voice of Hope member, on a art cruise 5 years ago. I texted, I moved to Pete or Tampa. What do you think? Anne says, Dunedin. I moved to Dunedin, Florida. It's warm most of the time and cheaper condo than California. And I remember Voice of Hope for Aphasia. My opinion, I make more progress here than in California because Voice of Hope meeting meets 5 weeks a time. Week. My puppy dog, Punk, helps me too. It's cute, and I practice by giving her commands. I talk to my neighbors more than walking on shoot.
More when I walk her.
More than shoot. When I walk. It's cute. I believe when people with aphasia have much needs met, talking is easier. They feel hopeful, relaxed, and competent. People with aphasia had much more difficulty speaking when they feel stress, anxious, frustrated, tired, and have noise sensitivity. Dr. Holland agrees with me. It's legit. I'm scared, but I accept my stroke. These are my key steps for recovery from aphasia. Find a way to encourage your client to change their attitude about aphasia. Focus on finding joy in your client. This is help to their attitude positive, not gloomy. People with aphasia is tired after PT and OT. When people with aphasia are tired, talking is hard. Try to change the schedule. Speech therapist visit before PT, and OT. I believe when people with aphasia have positive juju,
they are
more likely to improve speech. They feel hopeful, connected, and confident. Some people with aphasia is mad. No. Frustrated. Humor is good tool. It's important to know therapist to change positive feelings as well. Smile. These are my tips for speech therapists and people with aphasia. Practice, practice, practice. The speech therapist then use apps like Constant Therapy, Tactus, TalkPath, News, Games, whatever you want. Use communication strategies. Aphasia card, writing, gestures, writing, AAC app, whatever you want, apps. Encourage them for another join groups. Aphasia support, choir, video, chat, church group, whatever you want. Motivation. Find stroke reviver stories. Remember, look, think about whole person, not just the therapy. Think about emotion, motivation, social support, and what is important to your client.